Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down a little and choose apps and notifications. Now let's choose the first option, app info, and click on the three dots icon and click on reset app preferences. And now your device will inform you that will reset all preferences for disabled apps, default apps, or apps with background data restrictions. So if you are ready, simply click on reset. And as you can see, the reset was successfully done. So that's all. This is how you reset. This is how you reset your app preferences. And if you feel that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.